Guys, welcome back to Greentgarden. In this video I'm going to tell you guys how and why you should use eggshell in your compost to your garden. And this right here, guys, is my eggshell in a bowl and a spoon. I'm not eating it, guys. It's not cereal. So basically it's blended eggshell and I have water. I mix the water inside because it's easier for me. So basically, guys, adding eggshell to your compost it's tricky. Because if you never add eggshell in your compost and you just put in the whole eggshell in it, it's going to take forever to decompose, guys. You're going to see months later and that eggshell is still there. So you want to make sure you blend your eggshell. Some people will crush it up, that's fine too. But I figured the best way for me to blend it in my Ninja blender. What I did, I just add a little bit of water inside because it's easy when it's blended with the water. And you just like shake it around, it comes right out. You use a spoon to scoop it out. And then you get fine breakdown eggshell right here. So this is a faster way to decompose so you can get a benefit. So now you might say, I'm already doing compost, do I need eggshell? Yes, you do. The reason why you need eggshell, guys, eggshell is what you call calcium. Eggshell is calcium and it's critical and very important for your plants. If you ever wonder why some of your tomatoes are rotten at the bottom, or your bell peppers are rotten at the bottom, or your squash or zucchini have that rotten at the bottom, one of the most very important thing why is lack of calcium. If they don't have enough calcium, guys, you can't build a strong plant. You're not gonna have a strong vegetables. The outside part is not gonna be hard as it is to be protected. Calcium, guys, is very, very important to your garden. Now, there's two ways you could add this eggshell. You could blend it up, you could add it to your compost, and whenever your compost is ready, even if the eggshell is not ready, guys, just go ahead and use it. Or what you could do, as you blend it up this fine, you could go to your plant and you could add it into your plant, into your soil. So guys, do your eggshell from the beginning with your compost so you could have calcium ready when you're planting your zucchini plant. Don't wait till at the last moment to add eggshell in. It's not gonna work right away, guys. It does take a while to decompose there. So you gotta think about it. Everything else you put, from your orange peel, your carrots peel, apple peels, all that stuff from your carbon, your cardboard, paper, and you add some water in there, guys, and then you add your eggshell, which is the calcium. You got a complete, a really complete compost to help your garden, so you're not missing anything. Eggshell, you really have to break it down or blend it, or else it'll take forever, guys. And even if it's not breaking down, guys, you gotta remember, if you have eggshell whole and it's not breaking down and you still use your compost is ready but the eggshell is not, and then you put the compost in your soil, your compost is going to come up right away and help your plant, but you're still missing calcium because the eggshell still has to be broken down. So that's why it's very important to blend it or crush it a small piece. So this way, when you put it in your soil and then you plant your plant, every time you water, remember that water is coming straight down to your eggshell and your compost, and it's going to help decompose this right in your container too. So that's an awesome way. And guys, I want to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching Greentgarden. Hopefully this video is helpful, guys. Any question about compost, eggshell, anything like that, guys, always feel free to ask. And if you're new, guys, and you're first time watching, welcome to Greentgarden. It's all about gardening, guys, and give you guys awesome tips and tricks, and I'm gonna do more garden vlogs too. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell icons. Every time I upload a video, you guys get it right away. And I know, and sometimes it could be a video that a problem that you're having, and I could give some awesome tips to help you guys out, which I love. And guys, please share my videos to anyone who need help, guys. I really appreciate it, guys. So thank you guys for watching Greentgarden. I'll see you next time.